All right, so a lot of rain, so we got low visibility. Okay, traction loss. Ay, bad idea to pass when we're getting to an intersection, okay? All right, so what we were saying right here is that we have a possibility of low traction because of the rain. But here's the thing, your tires are good. You know, if you have good tread, they're new tires, relatively used tires, doesn't even matter. As long as they have good tread, you did your T-clocks, trust your tires. So the big problem here, remember guys, write in the comments, what do you think it is? Speeding, positioning, ego, what stage do you think he's in? Just start blurting it out, no wrong answers, okay? So we're gonna be going right here. This is the biggest problem. We have an intersection, okay? So when we have that intersection, we gotta be very careful. This person's turning left. We don't know what this guy's intentions are. He doesn't have an indicator, but why are we passing on a left when there's a possibility that somebody or this taxi can go across here? Just wait until you have like a straightaway, like back here, right? So if we had the straightaway, we could have went here before the intersection. What about after the intersection? It's a lot like doing wheelies right before a corner and not set yourself up for good slow look, press, and roll. So that's the biggest problem here. So what do you guys think? Maybe ego? Maybe I got to get from point A to point B as quick as possible, or complacency, where, you know, I've done this before. I could do it again. Nothing's bad's happened before. So therefore, I'm going to do it now, not think about it, and if something bad happens. So in that situation, what can we do? Well, first, let's not get into that position in the first place by trying to pass people. But let's say this person just slammed the brakes. Okay, we slammed the brakes on us. Why are we so close when it's raining like this? Remember, loss of traction possibility. So deceleration, you're going to increase your total stopping distance. Perception reaction, braking distance equals total stopping. So he's got to perceive it. He's got to start to react to it. And then now, with our tires on wet pavement, have to stop in time. Do you think we could do that with this total stopping distance and following distance? So positioning, guys, think about that too. All right, let's move on. Got lucky. He didn't get hurt, severely hurt. None of that. Yeah, Elon Musk, man. Whew. Dude, that'd be funny if he put some of your sticker pack on his next his next rocket.